beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Hope you guys doing well today and happy weekend to everyone. In today's video, I'm going to do a black and gold table setting. This table setting, guys, is a collab with my fellow YouTube sisters. This is a monthly collaboration every second Saturday of each month. And guys, the hosts are Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from The Quest Life DIY, and myself, the co-host, Mercy from Mercy Beauty of Styles. I'm going to leave the link of the ladies in the description box down below. Please make sure to check them out. I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching.
I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this.
Everything that I use in this video, I'm going to do my best to leave them in the description box down below. If there's something that you like, or if you want to recreate the look, so feel free to check the description box down below. And guys, I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please, before you leave, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review, lifestyle. If you are not new, guys, and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You know I will never be where I am without you guys. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all and keep on watching.
Just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share it.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, cause I missed you so.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment j'ai décor noir doré, ma salle à manger. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire, ça me fait un grand plaisir. Merci beaucoup. À tous mes abonnés, je vous dis un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous qui j'aime décorer, ça la manger moins, noir et là. Sinon, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier la petite graine commentaire en créole pour moi et puis partager vidéo avec mes amis. Si vous pas la première fois, tout le monde merci en pile guys pour votre support. Moi remercie nous en pile en pile en pile. Please continue à regarder les vidéos.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!